हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन इससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टॉक इन न्यूज़। ओके, लेट्स मूव। Okay, greetings investors. Here are the stocks in news for today morning. RVNL has been granted a letter of the award LOA for a redevelopment project at Varkala Shivagiri railway station with an order value of rupees 123 crore. Okay, then second, Gansol Engineering secured a solar power project in Chhattisgarh worth rupees 139 crore. Okay, then second, Bajaj Auto board will consider a proposal for a buyback of fully paid up equity shares next week. Okay, then second, ONGC Venezuela has agreed to provide oil to its subsidiary ONGC, which the assisting and recovering its outstanding $600 million dividend related to a stake in a project in South America. Okay, next, Dr. Reddy's has acquired the complete Manolap's supplements portfolio comprising 7 branded products focused on women's health. Okay, second, SBI plans to secure a syndicated loan of up to $1 billion through its Gift City branch. Okay, then second, Shyam Metallics has initiated qualified institutional placement QIP to raise funds of up to rupees 3,600 crore. Then second, CA Tire has been the issue GST demands and penalties amounting to over the rupees 19 crore by tax authorities in Maharashtra and Vadodara. Okay. Then last, Adani Ports board has given the approval to raise the funds of up to rupees 5,000 crore through the public issues of non-convertible debt venture NCD with a face value of rupees 1,000 each. ओके सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।